Hello everyone, so if you want to adjust the camera flash settings on your iPhone 14 so you can control it in the way you need, so first of all open up your camera. Now in your camera find your top right corner, and first of all make sure that you've opened up a photo tab. If you want to know how to adjust it for video, I'll explain it to you later. So now look at the top right corner. And here is your flash. You can choose between flash off and flash on. However, this activates only our auto flash mode. For further settings, tap on this arrow icon on the top of your screen, find your flash icon, and here you can choose between flash auto. The phone decides when to use the flash based on the lighting conditions. This is very convenient for unpredictable lighting. Flash on. The flash will be always on regarding of the ambient light. Use it if you're in dark room and you need consistent lighting. And flash off. This turns off the flash even in complete darkness. Now, to adjust the flash for recording videos, first of all, let's close this mode. So tap on the arrow once again, choose your video mode, and basically the same. You can do it through your top left corner. So tap on this icon, or you can swipe up from the bottom of your screen like this, and here once again you can choose flash auto, flash on, or flash off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.